Good morning, Mick from HALT, Hope Assistance Local Tradies here. It's Monday morning and it's a little bit windy. And so I thought I'd give you a little pep talk for Monday morning. Kids at home for homeschooling is going to be stressful. It's going to cause a bit of anxiety. Being in isolation is going to cause us a bit of anxiety and certainly stress. And we're also going to have to, we've just had the weekend together and now we're going to have another full week together. So it's important that we realize that this is completely normal. It's understandable that it's stressful, and anxiety and depression need to be treated. So if you are feeling anxious, if you are feeling stressed, maybe give your doctor a call just to check in. Maybe give a mate a call just to check in. It's really important that we use doctors and psychologists, our friends, family, that we let them know how we're feeling. There is no shame in letting people know how we're feeling. We're allowed to be vulnerable, and especially we're allowed to be vulnerable in this position. We've never been here before. It's complete unknown. And the situations that we're put in, we humans aren't used to. We like to have it always the same. We like to have us under control. We like to know what we're doing. And this coronavirus has caused a lot of change to that pattern. So even if we are working, there's different rules, there's different regulations. There's where you can stand, where you can't stand. Even going to the shops just to buy a loaf of bread and some milk is different. So the challenge I set for you guys this week is, let's stay strong. It's going to be over soon. I sense that. And let's be positive. Let's try and be positive. But for those that are struggling, get help. Doing nothing is not an option. It doesn't help anyone. Doing something different to challenge yourself is a good thing, I think, in this position. We've now been in lockdown 3-4 weeks and we're getting good at it. So let's start the week fresh. Let's clear out those cobwebs and let's have a great week. If you need any help, let HALT know. We've got lots of resources to help people. We've got lots of phone numbers of doctors, psychologists. Don't be afraid to use Lifeline. Beyond Blue's got a great one for coronavirus. If you're under 25, Headspace have got a lot of resources, so don't be afraid to use them. So have a great week, and I'm going to go and clear out my cobwebs.